So for today, I'll be showing you how to make one of our signature cocktails, or like one of our signature infusions here in Sarnies, Sukhumvit, Bangkok. We call it, guys, Sencha Gin. So it's a very easy infusion to make. I'm going to use here, guys, is Roku Gin. So what's the ratio? The ratio here, guys, like for 150 ml of alcohol, we're going to put like 5 grams of Sencha Gin. So let's open our gin. ml. Hả?นี่ไง Batch cocktailไง $7.50, guys. There you go. And next is 25 grams of Sencha leaves. Kun P.
Hello, Kun John. How are you?
Am I okay?
Why?
25 grams, guys. 25 grams. Let's just put into the gin. And let it sit, guys, for around like 15 minutes just to get the infusion. Room temperature, guys, is enough na yun. And after 15 minutes, guys, you can filter it. You can use like a coffee filter, pero kung wala kayong coffee filter at home, you can use like any tissues. But important thing, guys, like you want to infuse it for around 50 minutes or more. But if you want more like flavor of Sencha, you can infuse it for longer time. So thank you for watching. See you guys next time. Cheers. Woo!